I want us to execute some trades. So if you go on the circles, you can see the blue bar, green bar, all below digit 4. The red bar is still below digit 4. Okay, that one, no problem. We can ignore. But these two, they are below digit 4. That means we can execute a trade on under 4. On the other side, I can see we can easily spot a market that is on a fall. So the moment you do the setup, by the time we are done, that market will be retesting. So let's check on this other side on a rate analysis. We set up 4 here, we set up 4 here. So okay, under 4 market should be 40% and 40% and above, 40% and above. The LDP market, the other digits should be dominating the market. So as we wait for the other digits to dominate the market, we load this robot we call the Ultimate Rate 2025. We set up volatility 101s. We set up here under, and I'll use a stake of like let me use this is a high risk market. I'll use a stake of 40, and I'll be trading under 4. Yeah, so the prediction digit is 4. Then target profit, I'll do like $150. I don't know if we're gonna hit. Okay, let's see. Then I'll use a stop loss of the $300. For the martingale, I'll reduce it to 1.8. I think everything is okay now. So I'm waiting now for the other digits to dominate the market. Oh, I can see the 4 market has actually fluctuated to 31. Okay, so the over digits actually have a higher momentum. You can see over 4 market is actually performing. The market on the other side, I can see the market is on the rise. Okay, let's just switch to over 4. Then let's switch to over 4. We just need to switch to adjust these two. That is 2. Yeah, okay, it's fine. So because I can see over digits are dominating, then circles, well, okay, fine, no problem. I can see these digits are actually on okay, they are supposed to be on the upper side, but since the market is on a very strong bullish momentum, okay, let me just take a risk. I'll use digit 2 as my entry point, click run, make a digit 2, but I'll only take a few contracts. Let me keep the cursor on this point. That's first one is a win. Why is the payout? Oh, I am using a stake of $40. Okay, another win. Give me a win. Okay, let me just stop at that point. Okay, so rate analysis, you can see under 5. Okay, the market is still on the rise, but now the problem is on this other side, you can actually see the market is not so good. Okay, let me look for a better market. Yeah, so that is 25 1s. Let me see, not good. 51s. Okay, if I spot a better market, I want a better market that I can be able to share the strategy. So when, yeah, 101s. Okay, this is at least 101s. Yeah, so you can see we have the red bar on this blue bar, that is a green bar on this side. Okay, okay, let's see if we can attempt something like over 5, even though this one is supposed to be okay. The blue bar is supposed to be on the upper side, the green bar is supposed to be also on the upper side, the red bar is supposed to be, that is on the lower side. That is from digit 0 to 4. When you are trading over 5, the red bar should be on digit 0 to 4. Then green bar, blue bar should be above digit 5. Yeah, so okay, let me see. Let me open that is a rate analysis. Okay, over 5 market is 42%. This means we can attempt over 5. We just need to wait for that market to go on a rise, then we can run our bot. So let me set up here on the same volatility 101s. Then up on this I'll actually set up over, that is over 5. Yeah, I'll reduce the martingale to 1.8. Okay, let me see what will be my entry point. Circles, my entry point will be digit 0. Okay, so a rate analysis, let me see. Yeah, I'm waiting for the over digits to start dominating the market. Okay, the market is on a fall. I want us to go on a rise, then we're gonna make an entry. Okay, we just, even if we take about 2 wins, it's okay, because we'll be, our profits by the end of the day will be over $100. I just want $100. So we can see the under market is dominating the market, the market is on a fall. Okay, let me see under 5 market. Let me see under 4 market. Under 4 market is 39. Okay, I want to see which market is best. Okay, the candlestick has started rising. So I think under 4 market is the best. Under 4 market is the best, yeah, because you can actually see it's more than 45 other digits are dominating. So just get on the robot and switch to under, then set up these two. So the payout is the same for under 4 and that is under 5, under 4 and over 5. We are doing this because the market is on a fall. You can see the other digits are dominating, yeah. So just get on a rate analysis on the circles, and we'll use digit 9 as our entry point. So get back on a rate analysis and see how all the other digits are dominating. So the moment under 4 digits, let me set up 4 here. Set up 4. So the moment under 4 digits start dominating the market, we will just make an entry. You can see they are dominating. So I use digit 9 as my entry point. Okay. Okay. Other still dominating. So I need to stay on this cursor. The moment you just hit 2 wins, loss, win, stop at that. 100 profit of $150, currently at 115. So how do we do it? Okay, if you check here, you can actually see the market was this candlestick. You're gonna trade now. The candlestick was on a continuous fall. Even the current candlestick is still on a continuous fall. The under 4 market here should be, that is on the percentage tool, should be 40% and above. Then on the LDP analyzer, the moment you set up your prediction digit as 4, the under digits should be dominating the market. Then get to the right to the circles. The blue bar, green bar should all be below digit 4. Then the red bar should be above. That is from digit 4 and above. Yeah. Then your entry point should be the digit the highest percentage. In this case, I use digit 9 because it is a digit the highest percent. The reason why I didn't take so many contracts, you can actually see I ignored this digit, which was digit 9, which had that is a green bar, and that digit is supposed to be, that is below digit. That is digit 4. Something else that you also need to take note: this high risk market, make sure you don't take so many contracts in a low, because by the end of the day you might end up that is on losses. Yeah, so it's actually that simple. Currently you can see we are at a profit of $150. So when you are trading under 5, actually that is a candlestick direction is what should actually guide you. On this market on a fall, it was best to trade under 4 market, yeah, because we said that when the market is on a fall, or when the market is on a bearish momentum, it gives you more other digits. So we waited until this market that is went on a fall, and we started having more other digits on the LDP. That means the other digits will actually be dominating. Then on under 4 market should be 50, that is 40% and above. It's actually that simple. Then on the circles, make sure that is the green bar, the green bar, blue bar should all be below digit 7. Then something else that you also need to do: make sure you are using a robot with an entry point for fast trade execution, and for and for accurate entries. Strictly robot with an entry point prompt. You can actually see the moment you click this robot here, and it will ask you for the entry point. In that case, to take a digit 9. The moment digit 9 was touched, like the tick went to digit 9, the robot started executing the trades immediately. So if you make a mistake of trading with a robot with an entry point, it might not work, yeah, because we need fast execution. Because the moment the tick touches digit 9, it will automatically go on. Chances are very high that tick will go on the lower side. So if you are doing that is manual timing, the moment tick touches digit 9, by the time you are running your bot, the tick will be on the lower side. So when the robot will start executing the contracts, the tick will be on the upper side, and that means that will actually affect your entries. So that's all I have for today, guys. Goodbye.